Good morning, everyone. How are you all, dear students? Welcome back to SST class. Children, as you all know, that we are studying chapter 13. Okay, the name of the chapter is Delhi. Okay, this is the part 2 of this chapter. Okay, in our previous class of this chapter, we had already discussed about Delhi and its climate. So children, in this class, I am going to discuss with you all food and festivals. Okay, so let's start the class. Children, as you can see in the picture, people of Delhi are very foodie. Okay, they love to eat different types of food. Okay, in the picture you can see street foods. Okay, people are enjoying here street foods. Okay, now you can see in this picture different types of foods are given. Okay, people of Delhi enjoy all types of food. So children, all types of food are enjoyed by the peoples of Delhi. Okay, they love to eat all types of food. South Indian, Chinese, Tibetan, Italian, Mughlai. So these are the kinds of food which Delhi people enjoy very much. Okay. People of all religions live in Delhi. Children, people of all religions live in Delhi. So all festivals are celebrated by the peoples of Delhi. So children, all festivals of different states are also celebrated in Delhi. Okay, as people of all religions live in Delhi. Being the capital city of India, national festivals are celebrated with great enthusiasm. Children, as you know that Delhi is the capital of India, so here national festivals are celebrated with great excitement, with great energy, with great enthusiasm. Okay. Now children, we will discuss another topic, that is transport. Okay. This is a picture of a metro train. Delhi has a metro rail system. Children, in Delhi, there is a metro rail system which is progressing day by day. So, children, this metro rail system is progressing in Delhi day by day. Okay. It has changed the face of the transportation system in Delhi. This metro rail system has changed the face of transportation system in Delhi. Okay. Delhi has a metro rail system which is progressing day by day. You can see in the picture. It is a picture of Delhi, and here in the picture you are watching metro train. Okay. So this metro train has changed the face of transportation in Delhi. Okay. It has made traveling very convenient, very easier. So children, this metro train has made traveling very easier, very convenient and comfortable and easy to all. Okay. Delhi has two airports. Children, Delhi has two airports. Palam for domestic flights, okay, and Indira Gandhi Airport for international flights. So children, Delhi has two airports, okay. Palam for domestic flights. Domestic flights, what it means children? Domestic flights are the flights which travel inside the India, okay, and Indira Gandhi Airport for international flights, and Indira Gandhi Airport is a international flight, okay, from where we can go outside of country also, okay. It is an international airport, okay. Delhi has two airports. In this picture you can see the picture of airports, Palam Airport and Indira Gandhi Airport. Okay, these are the two pictures given in the video. Palam for domestic flights. Palam Airport is for domestic flights. From Palam Airport, we can travel inside the India, okay? And from Indira Gandhi Airport, we can travel to other countries also, okay? So children, these are the picture of two airports. So children, that's all for today. We will meet in our next class video. Till then children, must take care. Be safe at home. Thank you and bye-bye everyone.